In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert lines in WPS Office document. Adding lines to your documents can make them look more organized, professional, and visually appealing. Whether you need a simple separator, a decorative line, or an arrowed line for emphasis, WPS Office offers several easy ways to create them. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know multiple methods to insert and customize lines in your documents. To start, open your document in WPS Office and go to the Insert tab. Here, you will see the Shapes option. Click on it, and a variety of shapes will appear, including different types of lines. Choose the line style that best fits your needs. When drawing the line, hold down the Shift key while extending it. This ensures that the line remains perfectly horizontal, vertical, or at a precise angle, keeping your layout neat and proportional. Once the line is inserted, you can customize it in many ways. You can change its color to match your document's theme, adjust the weight to make it thicker or thinner, or apply dashed or dotted styles for variety. Additionally, you can add arrowheads at one or both ends of the line, which is particularly useful for diagrams or flowcharts. These options give you flexibility and control over the appearance of your lines. WPS Office also offers a quick keyboard method for creating lines directly in your document without using shapes. For a simple horizontal line, type the hyphen key 3 times and press Enter. This will automatically create a straight line across your page. You can also use the equal sign 3 times, followed by Enter, to make a slightly different style of line. Similarly, typing 3 asterisks and pressing Enter will create a dotted decorative line, and using the ampersand 3 times followed by Enter gives you another unique line style. These shortcuts are especially convenient when you want to add lines quickly while typing. By combining these methods, you can enhance your documents with both functional and decorative lines, making them easier to read and more visually structured. Lines can help separate sections, highlight important information, or simply add a polished touch to your work. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.